Okay, so let's try one more example just like the last one. I have my quadratic and I'm trying to find the minimum value. I know that when I graph this, it's going to be a parabola, and I know that minimum value is going to occur at the vertex. So I'm trying to get this into vertex form so that I can easily identify what that minimum value is going to be. And I know that it's going to be upward facing because this is a positive value over here, okay? So I'm just completing the square. So the first thing that I need to do is to get this into that x squared plus bx form that allows me to do that, which means I need to take care of this 40 that's happening over here, right? So I need to rearrange this. I need to move it to the other side. So I'll do that by subtracting 40 from both sides. And what I'm left with then, because we have this presence of y, is just y minus 40 equals, and I'm just bringing everything else down, x squared plus 12x, and then this canceled out to 0. Now it's in this form that I like. So now I can easily complete the square. I can tack on a perfect square C at the end. And I do that by taking half of b, which is 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then you square that. 6 squared is 36. So my newly created C is 36, and I need to tack that on here, but if I do it to the right side, I have to do it to the left side also, right? So when I add 36 to both sides, what I'm left with over here, y minus 40 equals x squared plus 12x, and when I add 36 to both of those sides, I'm left with over here y minus 4 equals x squared plus 12x plus 36. Now that I've done that so that I have a perfect square trinomial here. Now I can easily factor this using patterns. So I know I've got y minus 4 equals, this is going to be x, they're both positive, so plus square root is 6 squared. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 plus 6 is 12. So that's how I know that's what I'm going to end up with. When it's in this form, it is awfully close to being in vertex form. The only thing I need to do is get that y by itself. So I can add 4 to both sides. And when I do that, I'm left with y equals x plus 6, quantity x plus 6 squared, plus 4. Now, this fits that format perfectly. So I can easily see that my vertex is hk, which is going to give me a negative 6, 4. So, the minimum value, because it's opening upwards, we always take the y value, is going to be y equals 4.